Right now, there's a lot of influences that are pushing and migrating people over to ICF. A couple of those reasons are because of the energy codes changing, workforce is changing, no one's entering into the concrete industry. And in order for builders and developers to get foundations in the ground, they're looking for alternative ways of doing it. And ICF's a great way for them to do that. They can either self-perform it or use an ICF installation team. So by nature, the ICFs, they look like Legos. I mean, Legos for adults, right? And it is carpentry 101.
Nudura Insulated Concrete Forms is really designed with the installer in mind. There's lots of features in that, whether it's the size of them, the 8 feet long by 18 inches tall, the Duralock system that the panels lock together, the folding so they take up less space on a truck and less space on the job site. They're really engineered to make the build process smooth.
10 out of 10, 100% satisfied and happy with everybody's work here and the product itself. I mean, to me, it's a no-brainer. I mean, this really worked out even better than I thought. So it went by quick and a lot smoother. So I'm really, really happy and thrilled with it.
Lots of feedback, again, peace of mind. They like how quiet the building is, the energy efficiency, the cost savings. One of the regrets that I get actually is that they wish they did the whole house out of it if they're only doing the foundation.
So ICFs have been around for decades. And one of the reasons why you don't see it more prevalent today is because of a couple things. Mostly it's awareness, proper education, and comfort. 99% of the time when people are comfortable with this as a building system, they say, why wouldn't we do it?
So we have a couple different training options available. The first one is our online training modules. There's several modules that goes through the whole construction process. With the insulated concrete forms, there's a quiz at the end of it. Another option would be our basic installation training course that we have throughout the country. And that is a hands-on course. We'll have classroom setting in the morning, and then we actually build a wall in the afternoon. Quiz at the end of it, and that's the first process to become get a wallet card as a trained Nudura installer.
And certainly if you're going to finish a basement, being able to do all 6 steps that we're doing in one with the ICF, that's the forming, the structure, the air barrier, vapor barrier, the insulation inside and out, and the fastening strips inside and out, allows us to efficiently build it and do it for the same price, if not less, than building one conventional and then studying it out and insulating it afterwards.
So the Nudura insulated concrete forms come with a 30-year warranty, and then we also have warranties that we can add on to that from the Tremco Construction Products Group side, such as below-grade waterproofing, weather-resistant barriers, window and door flashings, our pre-buck system. So you have one warranty from one manufacturer, and all the products are tested for compatibility with the insulated concrete forms.
I got to tell you, as a builder for 20 some odd years and then having the opportunity to get onto the distribution side, I've found my place. I love what I do. When you adopt ICF as a system and you really own the process of putting it together and pouring it, it's something that's a lot of fun to work with. It's easy to work with and certainly better than sitting in the office doing paperwork.